GMP versus GLP. In this video, we will study difference between good manufacturing practice GMP versus good laboratory practice GLP. An overview of good manufacturing practice GMP is a set of guidelines that ensures that products are manufactured consistently with quality in mind. This includes documenting processes and procedures, developing personnel training and qualification standards, establishing clear communication between departments, and more. An overview good laboratory practice GLP is the counterpart to GMP. It focuses on ensuring the reliability of laboratory tests by laying out specific requirements for documentation, record-keeping, personnel qualifications, and training equipment maintenance calibration records. When are GMP compliances applied? GMP compliances are required during the batch lot release or lot conformance, manufacturing and testing, and medical product marketing phases. Furthermore, the testing phase of components used in clinical trials, active pharmaceutical products, critical excipients, testing of stability, process validation, and other supporting activities must also follow GMP regulations. When are GLP compliances applied? GLP regulations are applied during non-clinical laboratory safety studies, supporting research and marketing of biocompatibility, toxicology, pharmacology, and other medical products. However, it doesn't apply to the manufacturing and testing of medical devices except design controls, some investigational drug products, and biologics in clinical trials. Further, it's important to note that clinical studies involving humans are governed by Good Clinical Practices (GCPS), the Declaration of Helsinki, and other regulations designed to protect human participants, not GLP. Benefits GMP benefits cost savings. GMP reduces the operating cost by enhancing the efficiencies of quality control processes and reducing the penalties due to non-compliance. Increased consumer confidence with GMP certifications. Organizations instill more trust and confidence in their consumers because of the safety of their manufacturing processes and products. Improved production safety when products are manufactured using the right methods and in the right conditions as proposed in GMP guidelines. It reduces many risks associated with the product quality and safety. Competitive advantage in the market since GMP increases production efficiency, reduces manufacturing errors, and increases product quality. The reputation of the GMP compliant company boosts at the international market. This increase in reputation can provide an edge over competitors. GLP benefits document trail. GLP assists in creating a document trail that provides traceability for all measurements and data. Improved laboratory reputation. The compliance is designed to enhance the quality of products manufactured by labs and manufacturers. A GLP certificate demonstrates the organization's credibility, thus increasing its laboratory reputation in the market and among its customers. Reduced time to market. GLP compliance prevents or reduces the need for rework and time spent on non-revenue investigations. Thus, GLP fastens the launch of its products to the market with assured safety. Accurate and quick results. The perfectly designed GLP principles enable labs and manufacturers to reduce errors, mistakes, or confusion during experiments, leading to producing quality data in the first attempt. The core components in the pharmaceutical industry. GMP quality control unit. Implementing robust quality control is paramount in preventing contamination and manufacturing errors. This involves rigorous testing of products and raw materials, monitoring environmental conditions, and adhering to strict operational protocols. Manufacturing processes standardization is key to product consistency. Equipment and facility guideline. The upkeep and calibration of equipment and facilities are critical for safety and accuracy in production. GMP mandates regular maintenance, validation, and cleaning schedules for all manufacturing equipment and facilities. Adherence to GMP not only safeguards the quality of pharmaceutical products but also reinforces the industry's commitment to consumer safety. By following these principles, manufacturers can avoid costly recalls and maintain their reputation in the highly regulated pharmaceutical market. GLP study conduct. Adherence to standardized procedures is essential for the consistency and reliability of results. GLP mandates detailed documentation of every aspect of the study, from its design to the final report, ensuring that studies can be accurately replicated and verified. Personnel and training requirements. Competency and consistency in laboratory work are achieved through rigorous training and continuous professional development of the staff. Facility standards. A controlled environment is crucial for the conduct of reliable studies to prevent contamination, ensure safety, and maintain the integrity of the studies. Protocol. GMP protocol. Study-specific protocols are not required. Standard written procedures are followed. GMP protocol. Each study requires a study-specific protocol indicating study objectives and methods for conduct and is approved by both the study sponsor and study director prior to initiation. Protocol overrides SA piece. Records and reports. GMP records and reports signature of both the personnel conducting procedures and personnel verifying steps of procedures must be on all records. Dual control of procedures records. Records are maintained not specified in archives for at least 1 year following product expiration date. GLP records and report signature or initials of personnel conducting all procedures, preparations, calibrations, etc. are required along with dates completed and must be on all records. Records are maintained in secure archives for at least 5 years following date of registration if used to support a marketing permit, or 2 years following study completion termination. Archivist is responsible for archives and ensures security of documentation.